Hi guys, I'm Diablin D'Souza and today we're going to talk about a brand new software from the Adobe Creative Cloud October 2018 release. It's called Adobe Premiere Rush. So let's power on the software and see what the software is all about and what I do with the software. So basically I use the software to create short 30 seconds to a minute clips for WhatsApp and Instagram stories. So let's go ahead and create a new project by clicking the create a new project icon button on the top. So once you click that button, I'm going to rename the project to DJ Aaron because that's a project I'm working on right now. So this is just going to be a short 30-second video of him playing and the crowd reacting. So just rename it, and once you're done, just hit enter, and then I'm going to select my footage from shots and load up the footage. So once that is done, I'm going to mute all the clips by going to the right hand side and clicking the waveform icon and hitting the mute button. So I'm going to do this for all 3 clips that I have selected which I want in the video. Now that is done, I'm going to go over and start cutting down the clip to the parts that I want the clip to start and stop from, and the remaining parts I'm going to delete it. So there are 2 ways to do it. One is to press the scissor icon on the left, or press Command or Control K. So once this is done, to delete the clip, just hit the delete button on the keyboard and the clip is automatically deleted. So this is something similar to the ripple delete which we have in Premiere Pro, where once you hit ripple delete, the 2 clips automatically come and join and the clip gets deleted which was in the middle of those 2 clips. So let me cut through this project and choose the right in and out points for the clips I want, and then I'll run you through further. So Premiere Rush has some really unique features. It's a very lightweight editing software, so you can use it on your mobile phone, iPad or iPhones to edit a video, and you can come over to your system and continue editing the video. It also has a feature where you can integrate it, start editing it on the Premiere Rush, come over to your system, copy that file into Premiere Pro and start editing a full-fledged movie from it. It is really compact and really feasible. It's a real nice software, and if you're wondering how to get it, it comes with the Adobe Creative Cloud package. You can either purchase the entire Creative Cloud package, or you can just purchase the Adobe Premiere Pro as single app, and it comes within Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting with the project and choosing the right clips in the project, I'm going to start adding transitions for it. So Adobe Premiere Rush comes with 3 basic transitions, that is cross dissolve, dip to black and dip to white. So usually during the middle I would love to use a cross dissolve, and at the end of the clip I would love to use a dip to black. So now that I'm done with the transitions, it's time to add a title. To add the title, hit the plus button on the top left hand side, select title. So once you select the title, it will load into your project and it will load at the position in your timeline where your cursor is. So to edit the title, just double click on it and type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in DJ Aaron because that was the name of the DJ playing. And once that is done, I'm just going to change the font. So I have some Adobe Creative Cloud fonts with me which I'll just apply. So I'm just going to add a stroke so that it can stand out the text from the video. And I'm going to make the stroke color black. So I have a white text with a black stroke. It really looks nice and it stands out from the video. So now I'm just going to adjust the title so that it fits in the first 3 to 4 seconds of the video. So now that the title is done, it's time to add in some music for the footage. So to add music, hit the plus icon on the top left hand side, select media and browse for your audio tracks. So I have some royalty free music which I'm going to be using for this video. So just have to import it into the timeline by pressing the add button. Once I do this, I'm just going to play the track back to see that the cuts fit with the music. So mostly people tell that first select the track and then add the footage to the beats of the track, but I just feel comfortable doing it the reverse. So now that the track is done, I'm just going to delete the extra part of the track and make sure the track fits in the duration. So my entire clip is around 45 seconds. So next part is to color grade the video. So I have some presets which I use for color grading my videos. So once you're done with the color grading process, it's time to export the video. To export the video, click on the share button. You'll get an option to save it locally or to upload it to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or Behance. So I like to share my footage locally first. So to send it out to a client, I save it locally and give it a name and hit the render icon. So it'll roughly take around 30 seconds to render a complete video. So again, it depends on the footage that you have shot. So this video was shot at 4K. So again, it depends on the footage. If you use a 1080p footage, it is definitely going to render faster. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in another video. So the full video will be available on my Instagram, so you can just follow me on Instagram and stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in another one.